Hi everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub and welcome back. Today we will be discussing about how to link external files in Obsidian nodes. This is going to be a step-by-step process, so make sure you do that. So before we begin, consider donating to our channel, and you can do that by the link in the description below. So the query here is to link external files in Obsidian nodes. It's quite simple. You're going to be dragging and dropping your files you need from your native file explorer, or you can also say it like your local storage, while holding control on your Windows or Linux or Command on Mac OS to create a file. Then you can absolute links to those files and your link will be automatically be created as well. So this is the workflow that you need to follow, and if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible fixing up your issues. So yeah, that's how you can link external files in Obsidian nodes, and make sure to donate using the link in the description if you find our videos helpful. Stay tuned for more and see you guys around in the next video.